Hey, what's up everyone? Louie, head of vendor alliances here from Fastlane. Let's talk about something that can seriously boost your Splunk business and make your customers love you for it. We all know Splunk is a powerhouse. Security, observability, data insights, it's changing the game. But here's the truth, Splunk doesn't run itself. Customers need people who know how to use it, and that's where you come in. Selling Splunk isn't just an add-on, it's a growth engine. When you help customers skill up, they get more value from their investment, they stick around longer, and you open the door to more projects, more licenses, and more revenue. And the best part, we've made it ridiculously easy for you to sell. Meet Splunk Fast Starts, curated, role-based training bundles designed to ramp learners quickly and deliver real-world results. No guesswork, no complexity, just proven learning paths that map directly to your customers' needs. And here's the secret. All you need to do is ask the right questions. For Power User Fast Start, you would ask, who in your team needs to search and visualize data day to day? Do you have users new to Splunk who need to get productive quickly? If yes, Power User is the one. It teaches analysts, dashboard builders how to search, visualize, and turn data into insights fast. For Advanced Power User Fast Start, you would ask, do you already have team members comfortable with basic searches? Are they ready for more complex queries and data manipulation? If yes, Advanced Power User takes them deeper with advanced search techniques, field extractions, and efficiency tricks. For Search Expert Fast Start, you would ask, do you have power users who need to optimize searches for speed and scale? Are you working with large data sets where performance matters? If yes, Search Expert is all about precision, optimization, and performance tuning. For Enterprise Admin Fast Start, you would ask, who is responsible for installing, configuring, and maintaining Splunk? Are you planning to expand your Splunk deployment? If yes, Enterprise Admin covers setup, configuration, and operational best practices. For Enterprise Architect Fast Start, you would ask, are you designing or redesigning your Splunk architecture? Do you need to scale Splunk across multiple sites or business units? If yes, Enterprise Architect focuses on scaling, distributed deployments, and best practice architecture. For Developer Fast Start, you would ask, do you need to build custom Splunk apps or dashboards? Are you integrating Splunk with other systems via APIs? If yes, Developer teaches app development, REST API usage, and extending Splunk's capabilities. Here's the beauty of it. You don't have to deliver the training. We handle everything. Delivery, logistics, learner support. You earn margin, build trust, and grow your Splunk pipeline. And if you need co-branded assets, messaging support, or just a quick strategy chat, we got you. So let's make training part of every Splunk conversation. Let's help customers get more out of their investment, and let's grow together. Splunk Fast Starts are ready. Let's get after it.